the Paris plan. Bonjour and welcome back to the Paris plan. The third week of October is all about street art, flower art and Patty Sherlock! Monday, have coffee or indulge in lunch in the splendid neo-Baroque brasserie Le Train Bleu inside the Gare de Lyon. Tuesday, take my Belleville street art tour. Wednesday, check out the Yves Saint Laurent exhibition in the museum dedicated to the French fashion icon in the 16th. Thursday, take a guided tour of the lush greenhouses inside the Jardin des Plantes in the 5th. Friday, go contemporary art shopping at the Carrousel du Louvre. The art fair continues all over the weekend. Saturday, Paris-based Irish musician Patty Sherlock is going to be playing at the Caveau de Huchette. It's going to be wild and may even tap dance. Sunday, grab tickets if you can to Duff McKagan, the bass player from Guns N' Roses, who's playing at the Tianon. That's it for the week. See you soon, à bientôt, and remember to subscribe, like, share, and all that jazz.